Can a side hustle really change your life? Well, it depends on the side hustle. A side hustle that allows you or requires you to create a bunch of products to sell on Etsy or something like that, yeah, it can change your life. It can make your life a lot more stressful. You go from having one job to having two jobs. However, if you choose the right side hustle, it can provide you with a lot of freedom. For example, I started affiliate marketing. I promoted other people's products and earned a commission. And what this allowed me to do in the short term is focus a little bit of free time on creating an additional revenue stream that would actually supplement my existing income at the time. Right, I went from making $60,000 a year waiting tables in the restaurant industry, starting a side hustle that made me an extra 30, 35 years. So I went to making six figures without really stressing out. But the other side of that is eventually I scaled that affiliate marketing business up and I got to quit my job. And then I had all this free time. Then I continued to scale the affiliate marketing business and I got to the next level of income, a whole nother tax bracket. And that's when I could start providing my family with opportunities like better schools and horse riding lessons and all the stuff that you really want to do as a parent. And that's how my side hustle helped me change my life for the better. If you want to learn more about the affiliate marketing side hustle that I started, I actually created a 100% free course for you that will give you 8 secrets that showed you how I made over $400,000 last year.